Kolter Homes. New homes that are built around you. The Whitaker plan gives you great flexibility to change your floor plan to fit your needs. For example, the base floor plan includes a club room with a sliding door to the lanai. As an option, you can convert this space to a bedroom with a closet. Another example is the expansion of the garage. You can add more space by choosing 2-car side-load garage option in lieu of the 1-car. You can go even further by making the 2-car into a 3-car garage. These two combined options will give you a 5-car garage home. At the heart of your home is the kitchen, great room, and casual dining area. While the Whitaker is already spacious and bright with large windows, if you enjoy outdoor living, then you will love the great room corner slider option, which opens up that space to the lanai. Speak with a new home guide to explore the many ways you can have this floor plan built around you. With Kolter Homes, the choices are yours.